Ooty is a scenic hill town in southern India. It is surrounded by the Nilgiri Hills and is popularly known as Queen of Hills. To reach Ooty, you need to go through Bandipur National Park, where it divides Karnataka and Tamilnadu state. If you're lucky, there's a chance of good sighting like elephants, deers, langoors, Indian gaurs, etc. The summer season is perhaps the best time to visit Ooty Hill Station. With the average temperature ranging around 25 degrees Celsius, days can be a little hotter though, especially during the afternoon. But at other times, the heat is bearable. The occasional rain also sweeps away some heat to keep Ooty enjoyable. And it is even get cooler enough at night for you to put on some warm clothes. Ooty is an integral part of Western Ghats. You find species of animals, birds, reptiles and plants that you don't find anywhere else in the world. The place remains on the cooler side throughout the year, making it an ideal place for round-the-year visiting. Ooty is one of those few places in South India that can boast of an almost uniform climate throughout the year. Located at an altitude of 2,240 meters above sea level. Another main attraction in Ooty is the pine forest. One look at the forest and you'll get the feeling that someone might have deliberately planted those trees there many years ago. To all appearance, they seem to be a company of soldiery ready for marching orders. A sense of mystery creeps into these forests during the monsoon and winter time when the fog slowly sets in. One can go out to witness the mesmerizing views from landlocked downs or check out the intoxicating tea estates along the slopes. Ooty, also called as Udagamandalam, is a resort town in the Western Ghats mountains in the southern India's Tamilnadu state. Founded as British Raj summer resort, it retains a working steam railway line. Avalanche Lake, Ooty Lake and Ooty Botanical Garden are the few other places to visit in Ooty during a summer evening. The economy is based on tourism and agriculture, along with the manufacturing of medicines and photographic film. The town is connected by the Nilgiri Gate roads and Nilgiri Mountain Railway. Its natural environment attracts tourists and it is a popular summer destination. With plenty of parks, museums and lakes around, you will need ample time to soak in the views. So, if you want to enjoy a leisure holiday in Ooty, you will have to set aside 3 or 4 days.